We're at Petco again, looking at fish, and I saw this little cute Mexican crayfish, dwarf crayfish to be exact, but really bright, really small. And I also saw these white platinum parrots. I was thinking about picking up myself, but stay tuned. I picked up the tiniest crayfish. What up, you guys? And as you can tell, I have a bag here from Petco. No, I'm not gonna do that. I've got the smallest crayfish I have ever seen. It's so cute. Check it out. It's so cute. Look at my fingernail. They only had one. I would have bought more otherwise, but that is so cute. They call this the orange Mexican crayfish. Gonna look at it online, see if I can order some more. But we're gonna be placing this bad boy with my lemon blue eye plecos in that tank because it's got a good amount of space, a lot of driftwood, a lot of honey spots, and has shrimp in there that have been doing great. So look how cute he is. Oh my goodness, I want more. Let's acclimate this bad boy into the aquarium. So it's pretty obvious I can't put him in there with my stingrays. Can't really put him in here. I could put him in here technically, but I'm not gonna do so. Put him in here technically, but I'm not gonna do so. Why? Because if they're anything like shrimp, they don't like as many water changes, and these tanks get lots and lots of water changes. So no, he's going in this aquarium. Just plop, and there he is. He'll do marvelous in here. I have a boatload of shrimp in here. See if we can spot some. I said a boatload as I cannot spot any, ironically. Okay, there's one. I think there might be two. No. Still only on one. Is that two? I can't really tell. No. Just the same one. Let's see if we can spot another one. Shouldn't be this difficult. They are smaller than the crayfish though, so hopefully the crayfish won't take so hard to find. But like I've mentioned, I haven't been seeing any dead ones, so that is always a good sign with shrimp. You might not see them all the time, but no dead ones is a good sign. Trust me. And we have a bunch of lemon blue eye plecos that are doing fine in here as well, so. Okay, can't spot them, so. Oh, there's another one right here. We're gonna let this bad boy acclimate for 35 minutes, 40 minutes. And when we come back, we'll let him go. So this bad boy has acclimated for more than enough time. We're gonna release him now. Going to try to do this one-handed. Again, keyword is try. There is the little dude. Can you see him in this big net? He's so cute. Let's see if I can put him on the net so we can get a better look. Put the phone a little sideways so we can get a better view of him. He's stressed out, so his color isn't as bright as it was at the store, but he is still super cute. I'm happy I got him. Don't think he'll be a problem for my plecos, so should be good to go. There he is. He's like a extra large lobster. I mean crayfish. Shrimp. Thanks for watching. Check out the other social media that we have, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!